Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to fix Google Meet Echo using the updated audio layout options. Audio feedback loops happen when your microphone accidentally picks up the sound blasting from your external speakers, creating a distracting echoing effect for everyone else on the call. First, open your active Google Meet call screen layout inside your web browser. Move your cursor to the bottom control bar and click on the More Options button shaped like 3 vertical dots. Click on Settings from the pop-up Options menu panel. Look at the left side category list menu and click on Audio. Locate the Configuration section block labeled Studio Sound sitting directly below your microphone device selection. Click the blue toggle switch right next to Studio Sound to turn it on so Google's advanced filtration system automatically scrubs background noise and room echo out of your speech track. Now, look directly below at the designated speaker selection box. Click on the Speakers Selection drop-down menu row and make sure your output is routed directly to a connected pair of headphones instead of your computer speakers. Plugging in a standard headset isolates the meeting audio completely, preventing the sound waves from leaking back into your microphone live. Click the Close button at the top right corner of the dashboard panel to lock in your updated audio settings. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.